Naniniwala tayo with one truth. We are all a beautiful creation of God. Ibig sabihin, as a beautiful creation of God, it is your birthright to be successful. Pero, 5 rason kung bakit kailangan mo umattend ng I Am Plus Discovery, yung ating signature personal mastery program. Number 1 is because it helps you with your clarity. Alam naman natin that clarity is power. Hindi mo malalaman kung paano ka makakapunta sa iyong next level at matupad ang iyong inaasam na pangarap kung hindi mo alam kung ano nga ba ang pumipigil sa'yo. Naniniwala tayo with one truth. We are all a beautiful creation of God. Ibig sabihin, as a beautiful creation of God, it is your birthright to be successful. Pero, maybe kaya hindi mo na-achieve ang success is because may mga pumipigil sa'yo ng mga tinatawag na limiting belief. Yan ay isang bagay na matututunan mo sa Discovery. Number 2, kailangan mong maintindihan ang 3 pillars of inner mastery. Ano-ano yun? Letter A is self-awareness, letter B is self-leadership, and letter C, last but not the least, self-worth. Kailangan align itong 3 bagay na ito kung gusto mo talagang matupad ang iyong mga pangarap, kasi I have never seen any successful people na hindi aligned itong 3 bagay na ito. Number 3, kailangan mong malaman yung 5 C's of personal breakthrough. Kung gusto mong malaman what are these 5 C's, talagang umattend ka ng Discovery kasi dun mo iyon matututunan at malalaman. Number 4, kailangan mong maintindihan yung tinatawag na transformation. Alam mo, this is beyond information kasi information, nakukuha mo naman yan sa YouTube or sa Google or sa ChatGPT, pero information alone is not enough. Okay? Hindi rin pwedeng motivation lang kasi napakarami naman dyan na motivate every January, every December, pero after some weeks or maybe after some months, lumulusaw or lumilipas yung kanilang motivation. Kaya kailangan naintindihan mo yung tinatawag nating transformation, which requires one key element called change. Kailangan maintindihan mo yung transformation para magkaroon ng tinatawag na pagbabago sa iyong buhay. Alam mo, excited ako na makasama ka sa I Am Plus Discovery so you can now start to live a life wherein ikaw ay nagtatrabaho, you are being successful about it, but at the same time, you can enjoy and have fun and enjoy life and live it to the full.